Okay. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different because I just got like this huge package in the mail not too long ago. I just came in like, I don't know, like half an hour. So we're gonna do an unboxing video. So basically these are all terrarium, how can I say, florist supply, like, and all of the materials that you need to make a terrarium. So we're gonna unbox, well, and this is the very first time that I order something this much, so I have to film it. Okay, let's go. Alright, where do we begin? Maybe like this. Ooh, can you still see me? Hey Mom. Okay, there's a lot of cotton. Okay. Lots and lots and lots of well, it's already open and it's so big so I cannot do anything. I'm gonna put this thing down and then we're gonna take out one by one. Alrighty, before we continue, so this is the first time ever I see, well actually I saw them before online, but this is the first time ever I see everything that I ordered, including several terrariums, some of the moss materials, they are real moss but preserved, and two of the smaller glass vase, I think. Oh my god, Japanese Maple Pro. What's your problem? Anyway, so the first thing we see here is that I order, this is the one in preserved reindeer moss, and it's in bright green color. So this is like a half a kilo of preserved like natural green moss. Which way? This way? Okay, we're gonna put them here. Oh my god, what are these? Probably the glass vase. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Oh wow. It's so much more beautiful than I thought. So these are the colored glass vase with no drainage. So I ordered two of them. One is white and the other one is gray. This one. A cut fish bowl. So when you put it on the table, it can sit like that. And this one, we got a bigger version of the same fish bowl. Ooh. Oh my god, so beautiful. See, so basically it's like a cookie jar, but it's specifically for terrarium. Like this, so big. So this is the bigger version. This is the mini version. I reckon this one is the terrarium with a wooden base. Wooden base. Oops, upside down. So we got the base. Oh, where's the ball? Okay, so you see the wooden base. It's supposed to have the ball on the top. Ah, there you are. So like this. It used to be a very famous. So this is like a small size of the wooden base and a wooden ball terrarium. I reckon this used to be really famous few years back. Like everybody wants one. And I reckon Kmart used to have like a big stock, like a bigger version of this one. So I think we're gonna put it right here. And the last one, oh, this is my favorite. I'm so excited. Huh. Okay, so it's the same version. Let me just get everything out. Look at this. Let's put the mouse back here. We work on here. Oh my gosh, so nice. They even put protection pads on the bottom of the base, so it won't damage the surface of your place. Ooh. So it doesn't come with the base, just like this one. So it's bottomless. Aha. Let me see. I should have ordered something bigger. But well, I'm so happy that I got everything now because I ordered like last week. So it took a week for them to process and took my payment, my hard-earned payment, and then deliver within a week. So it's very good business. No, not business. So it's very good service so far. So I'm gonna create some of the terrariums in these jars, definitely. And I can't wait to use one of these as well because they are so beautiful. And later today I'm gonna go out for a quick plant shopping because I need to buy some more plants to fill in the terrarium, of course. And definitely I will record everything, especially these. If I break any of these on the first day I got them, I will die with them. Okay, and definitely I will record everything and I'll update you guys.